Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play the Hamster Kombat Mini game for 12th August 2024. The first thing you do is to go to mini game here. After you launch your Hamster Kombat airdrop, go to mini game, click on it, and click on this mini game tab. You see move market candles and get keys. Then you see this play button here. Click on the play button to start playing the game. But the most important thing is that you get this key out of this particular exit by moving the red and green candles. So let's go and play the game. Just watch and follow through. We have barely 60 seconds to get the key out of the box. So let's go. Ensure to pay attention. Okay, the first one is move this, move. Let's move this down. Okay, move these red candles, move this, move this, move this, move this, move this, move this. So move this out. We successfully we successfully solved the puzzle. And if you check here, the mini game has been checked to show you that we were able to play the game and then let the key out of the box on time. That's it for today's video. Just play the video over and over again so that you will be able to get it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.